Hey guys, are you looking for a great way to capture some video footage of yourself when you're kiteboarding or kite surfing? I am too. This is my prototype. So I found this action camera mount on Amazon. It comes with like this harness and strap. It's like a harness and strap. So what I did is I took the plate off right here. And this is my Mystic waist harness for kiteboarding. And essentially what I did is I took some screws. I lined up the plate with some cap head screws or pan head screws. I think these are 1032s. And then I drilled them through and I threaded them into this plate. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description of where I got this off of Amazon. I think I paid under $50 or around $50. So if you guys ever did any research on this, I believe there's some other models that go for a lot more. There was like European models that were in euro, several $100 or hundreds of euros for what I'm trying to accomplish here. And then I did it with a hard plastic waist harness. So I actually took this harness itself out. On the ice. I fell directly on my back and smashed this into the ice, and it held up pretty good, and I didn't get injured, so I thought that was a great sign. Yeah, so let me hook up my camera setup and show you kind of what I'm gonna try to accomplish. I'll do it briefly so I won't keep you here forever, so bear with me while I go ahead and show you what my design is. So it comes with some hardware here. See if I can put it together in an efficient manner for you guys. Alright, so if I can remember this, I'll do this. So this just bolts on the bottom one. I think I want to get, just looking at this, I want to turn it this way. Yeah, okay. And then this goes with this component. Basically like some clamping mechanisms. Okay, so now I was able to pick up an Insta360 X5. This is basically the newest camera from Insta360 that I could find. I actually bought the wrong one at first. I bought the Ace 2 Pro, which that's what I'm shooting on right now with you guys to show you this, so it all worked out good because I'm trying to make more videos for things I do in my life. And yeah, let me show you how the actual component. So it comes with this little ball that's threaded, and all of these Insta360 sticks should have some type of ball mechanism. I'm gonna tighten this up. I'm gonna put this in here, tighten this up. And you kind of want these like out per se. So let me get it out a little bit here. I think, yeah, so you see, kind of getting that rolled back so I can get a different angle at that. I'm gonna have to play with that to get that angle good. So yeah, I'll just put it on quick. Just put it on quick for you guys. And then I will take some footage here in a bit and I'll upload that to this video as well. So yeah, I got my waist harness in. I got it loosened up for the snow, but I'll be in the water. So something like that, crawling off your back like so that should shoot me a good angle. I got the camera hooked up, but you can see I am grabbing the selfie stick and it is not there. So I'm gonna get like in a kiteboard position, kinda sorta. So, this is gonna be pretty rad.